Top plates are the unsung heroes in carpentry, holding up the roof and keeping your walls from wobbling under pressure. So, the top plates sit right on top of your wall studs and basically spread out all the weight from the roof or the floor above. This means the load isn't just squishing one spot but gets shared evenly across the whole wall. They also give a solid base for roof trusses or joists to rest on, which keeps everything locked in place and stops your walls from bowing or shifting over time. Another thing is, because they tie all the studs together at the top plates add some serious rigidity to your wall framing, making sure it doesn't flex when wind or other forces hit. Without them, you'd risk your walls becoming unstable or even collapsing under heavy loads. When you're building or renovating, it's smart to invest in extra top plate layers if you're expecting heavier loads like multiple floors or a heavy roof. This little bit of extra woodwork can save you headaches and safety issues down the road. So yeah, they're small but mighty for keeping your whole structure safe and sound. One of the biggest mistakes people make with top plates is using only a single plate when two are needed for proper load distribution. This can cause uneven weight and wall failure. Always use double top plates for stronger support. Another common issue is not nailing or securing the plates tightly to the studs, which can lead to movement and instability. Make sure every connection is solid with good nails or screws. Lastly, some folks underestimate the importance of choosing the right wood quality for top plates. Cheap or weak wood won't hold up under heavy loads, so always opt for sturdy, treated lumber designed for structural use. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their way around framing and carpentry. For contractors, it's a solid platform to connect with clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills in projects like these.